Holy cow!
What did you find? What did you
I found
find?
a giant bug.
Holy cow! What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Oh!
Wonder what it is.
Me too.
See, hold your hand out.
Look at its mouth.
Oh my gosh, that thing is as big as a hot dog.
It's smaller than a hot dog.
This is...
Hold him
Ew.
flat on your hand, Jackson.
Why?
Hold your hand out flat and you'll squeeze him. You might hurt him.
Oh, I don't want...
Here. Hand him to me.
He's really...
Let me see him, Sal. Oh my gosh.
Look at those horns. Whoa!
Don't hurt him. Pick him up. Put him over there in the bushes.
Pick him up. Pick him up. Pick him up.
Hold your hand out flat, Jackson.
Why?
Let me see.
Here, hand him to me.
There
Let me
is...
see him.
Are you scared of him, Jackson?
I just don't...
What if he bites?
I don't know. Then put him away.
Hurry, hurry.
They said you're supposed to put him where he can dig into something.